Hey traders, John Hal here. In this video I'm going to talk about more about volume and how it can help you get into a good trade and stay out of a bad trade. So let's get into it. Alright, hey traders, John Hal here. Now, when we're talking, let's get straight into this. Anything I do say in this video is general advice only. There's 4 key skills you need to master at anything, or to master trading. Emotional mastery, there's trading systems, there's money management, there's trade management. You need all 4 things to become a good trader. This here is just an educational type of video to help you when trying to help with the trading system parts, okay? Of course, also I can help with the trade management part as well too. So, anyway, let's get straight into it. When we're looking at volume can be a great, let me just bring this up through here, okay? I'm looking at a stock called SJM, okay? And what you want to see is that what you need to do is look at the bar, okay? So look at the bar and then look at so let's just go pen here. What you want to do is you want to look at the bar and then look at the volume. So for example, this bar here, it opened, it came down and closed there, and then this had a volume spike. See how it's much more increased than yesterday? Well, that's now showing that because the bar was very solid on the downside, mostly sellers, and we had a selling spike, that shows that there's a lot of selling power through here. In fact, I actually entered through here on some put options and I wrote them down to this day right here and then got out this day here. So, but that's one of the reasons why I got into the trade. You know what I mean? So I got into the trade because of the bar analysis, and the bar analysis is really going to help you when you're looking to get into a trade. So this quick little tutorial on volume is that you always want to have volume, especially on the buy side, right? Gravity works in the stock market, so especially on the buy side. If you're looking for, let me see if I can find some examples on this chart here. I haven't done this yet, so just trying to find some examples. Let's see back here. All right, no. Let's just continue going through here. Is that nothing there? All right. Here's again. I'm trying to find an example of what I'm talking about here. So so as you can see, right, we had this bar where it opened, it came down, came all the way up, and then closed there. See that there? So you can see that there, right? It's a nice strong up bar, and then look at, I think that was the volume. Let's just double check that. That was the volume there. So as you can see, right, we actually had a nice big up bar, and we had an increase in volume. And look what happened the very next day, right? We had this big increase in volume through here, above this average, and that showed strength, and we had a nice pop to the high side. Now that doesn't look like much, but from there to the high side, that's still almost 3%. You know what I mean? A nice little pop to the high side. Now, if you're a day trader and you're likely to get in and get out really quickly, then this will be very, very, very useful tool to get in. Okay, you can see here sideways, down, not a spike in volume, but the volume started coming in through here and then it tapered off. So the point I'm trying to say here, guys, is that whenever you're trading, try to look for bar analysis and volume, and as simple as this. For buy signals, for me personally, I'm looking for the market to open and then close higher. Okay, and this might be, say, yesterday. This is yesterday's volume. This is today's volume. I'm looking for an increase in volume. If that's obviously for buyers only. This here is looking for sells. If the market, say for example, the market's done this, and then the market opens, comes down, and closes there, then the volume, this is the volume today, and I'm looking for an increase in volume. That increase in volume is showing that there's actually a lot of downward pressure on that. If there's not a lot of volume, it's actually got a lot of small volume. Well, it's like it's really a nothing day, you know what I mean? It's like, yes, there was a lot of selling power, but there wasn't a lot of volume behind it. So there's not a lot of force behind it. You know what I mean? So use volume, guys, to help you when looking for good entry points. If you'd like to learn more information about how I trade the markets, I'm giving away a free course so you can learn 12 videos long, 12 videos, 12 hours long, charting techniques, trading systems, and a whole lot more. Grab the Markets by the Balls course. Go get it for free. John Hal here. Remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.